Hi, my name is Prince and I'm a food producer at Cook. So today we have someone really special cooking with us today. This is my mom, Minnie.
Hi.
So we're making something really special for Christmas, making rose cookies.
No, in Malayalam it's Achappam.
Oh yeah, Achappam, also known as rose cookies in English. Sheri, തുടങ്ങാം.
തുടങ്ങാം.
So the main ingredient of the dish is rice.
Raw rice, we soak it for 4 hours.
So how long are we drying this?
Half an hour. Just to dry fully.
This is a pretty lengthy process. Is there a shorter way of making this?
Yeah, you can use powder rice flour also.
The store-bought rice flour.
Yeah. That also you can use. But this is the traditional method. First we grind the rice to fine powder. Then beat the egg, add coconut milk, sugar, salt. Then add Maida also.
So the Maida is used to make it softer and to hold this shape.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Then rice little by little.
So this batter has to be thick enough so that it coats the acha, also thin enough to become crisp. So mom, why is it called Achappam?
Because for this we need the particular acha.
Ach means a mould.
Mold. Yeah. The acha has to be heated along with the oil.
The acha is hot enough. When you dip it in the batter, it sticks to the
mold.
acha.
Yeah.
So the acha shouldn't be dipped into the batter completely. Only up to 3/4 of the way up. So since I can remember, we were making this every year for Christmas. So when you say Achappam, the first thing that comes to my mind is this huge dabbas that my mom used to make and store them for Christmas.
Usually I plan for 10 days, but within 2 days it will vanish. Usually we used to make these kind of palaharams and all at midnight only.
Why is it?
Because of kids like you. See?
Whenever my mom used to fry this, so all these were off limits, the ones that I fried. But then, you know these small bits that come floating around? So these were the ones that we could eat and without getting any scoldings. So here are our Christmas Achappams. We hope you all liked the video. Do let us know in the comments below what you guys think about it.
We wish you all a Merry Christmas.